There is a gap of skilled workers versus non-skilled workers, and in order for automation to grow, we definitely need to get that out there for kids to get involved in automation and robotics. So having that curriculum in the schools is very important.
In Southwest Michigan and Northern Indiana, they're starting to embrace new tech high schools, which is a little bit of a misnomer. It's not necessarily all technology driven per se, but the curriculum and the environment in which they learn in is much more similar to an actual working environment, meetings. You're responsible for your own curriculum, things of that nature. They're teaching people how to become an employee. That's number one. Number two is bridging the gap in actually communicating and selling to the people, explaining we have a gap here. We need these jobs, and it's our responsibility as employers to go out and communicate. I meet with the high schools, I meet with the local community colleges. I'm now starting to do that, and we're starting to see connections. We're starting to see high school superintendents talking to the local community colleges, talking to local business leaders, and then circling back and creating a curriculum that makes sense. There's partnerships going on. There's partnerships with local anchor businesses that there is a feeding. In Niles, Michigan, the superintendent told me, "You are my customer." And my dual customer is the child coming out of my school. It's his responsibility to bridge the gap.
I personally think there will always be a lack of educated people, and I think we have to make it easier to use the systems we offer. So as he said, maybe we should think more in an Apple way, a Mac way, or an iPhone way. And we are on the step right now to take this. We see plenty of technologies that come up with that. It has to be much easier to handle the systems. We could not always say the people have to be more educated, but we have to say we have to make it easier as it is right now.